Welcome to the arena. Every challenge you complete will give you XP. The more XP you earn, the stronger you become. Your trial starts now. Ready?
Yes! You can do it.
Choose the correct verb to be.
It's I am happy.
Good.
Yippee!
Next.
You are my friend.
Excellent.
Nice, Lexo.
Continue.
The boy is brave.
Good job, Lexo. Next.
The girl is smart.
Not correct. Try again.
Ah, it's the girls. Plural, not the girl. Silly me. It's are.
Correct.
Yes!
Now, the questions are getting harder. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Find the mistakes in these sentences, then correct them. You only have one mistake in each sentence, so you must think carefully. First one.
She are my friend? I know the mistake is are.
So what is the correct answer?
She is my friend.
Yes!
Excellent. Next.
I is happy today? I found the mistake. It's is.
So what is the correct answer?
I am happy today.
Yippee!
Good job. Continue.
We as heroes? No, it's wrong. The mistake is. The correct answer is are. We are heroes.
Yippee!
Excellent. Last one.
Lexo, am brave. I found the mistake. Am is wrong. The correct answer is. Lexo is brave.
Yippee!
Good job, Lexo. Your training for today is complete. A new English power now flows through you. The verb to be has been mastered.
Yippee!
Lexo's English magic had grown stronger. 10 XP earned.
Rest now, little dragon. Your training has only begun. See you next mission.
A new challenge has appeared. Master the power of this, that, these, and those.